Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright. Today's topic is first Playwright script on real application, that is Cogmento, where we will be running end-to-end flow. This is our first complete Playwright script on a real application from end to end, where we launch the browser to a clean exit. This script shows the minimum required flow to automate a real application using Playwright. First, we launch the browser. We open Cogmento CRM application. We verify after logging in whether the menu items are available or not. If you see left side, we have menu items. Once validation is successful, we will log out and then close the browser successfully. This is not about features or frameworks. This is about understanding the full working flow of Playwright. Once this works, everything else builds on top of it. In detail, we will learn more about the code in coming sessions. As of now, this is a brief introduction about end-to-end flow, how to automate. If you see here, first we are initializing the Playwright engine, starting the browser, new context. If you see here, new context creates a new clean session. This one opens a new browser tab, and then we navigate to the Cogmento application. Once we launch your Cogmento login page, we provide input details like email and password. Click on login button. After login is successful, we will try to verify the menus like contacts, companies, deals, which are on the left side of that particular home page. Then we will click on settings icon and log out. Let me run, then you will have clear understanding of the end-to-end flow. If you see, first Cogmento login page is loaded, login is successful. After login is successful, it will try to verify the left menu items and it logged out also. So this is how the Playwright execution is successful. If you see, the execution was very fast. It tried to log in, it validated the menu items, it clicked on logout also. If I press enter, the application will be closed. If this script runs successfully, your Playwright setup is also correct, and also you have got an idea of end-to-end flow. We will start adding real interactions step by step. So the best is, if the script works, then your whatever installation and foundation you are working on currently is started, and it is very strong.